Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I have the small Crafter's Companion die and stamp share from Tuesday morning. So I was really excited to find this piece right here, and this is the little girl at the lake or the pond. It says by the sea, and these are all $4.99. Well, most of them are $4.99, but it's a 24-piece set. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dies, and the rest are stamps. And it says to someone special, this birthday message is just to say, hope you have the happiest day. And so you can see what the little girl looks like stamped out and with the die. And that's with her cut out. And it coordinates with the adorable 5x7 scenes paper pad, so you can put these on the scenes. You can also make some scenes. Did get the cross stitch. I already showed the one last week that had the bodice, the dress form on it. Excuse my voice, early in the morning. They had several of different frames to make the cards with, or just use as a decorative frame, but I like this shape of the square Baroque frame, so I got that one. They had an oval one and another one, and this also says thank you. And it's actually 7 dies in there, so you can layer the inner piece. I did get some of the builder scenes. These stamps have been out for a while, but the dies came out, so I went out and got it together. So this is the stamp set, $3.49, and the dies are $4.99. So it's 58-piece stamp set, the alphas, the numerics, and the cat and dog doors, some bricks and stuff. And that's the die set that goes along with it. And then the second builder scene, it's a 14-piece die set with the window and the different texture for the walls and stuff, and the drawer, wood grain. Just take it easy. And then those are the coordinating dies that go along with it. Then this one actually goes with a die set I already got. It's one of the box sets, but you can make all of these ornate different things on it. So, and what's the name of that one I got? The box die large, which I have. And you can cut these into the panel if you make it a short version, because you can make that die, the original die that this coordinates with. You can make several sizes and widths. They had these stamper dies, that's the words and dies. These were $3.29. This is laugh, a little louder after with the stamp. And this is live, love, laugh, more, worry less. So I'm sure the love is out there too. So that's the laugh and the live. Then I got this pop-up chair that you can use. It folds in half, so you can pop it up into a card. If you can see that. And last but not least, I got builder scene, and it's a stay at home 5-piece on this acrylics. And again, you can stamp this out to make a scene, which I like. That I like this lady and her dress, the back view, and I like the mansion in the back. This of course reminds me of Downton Abbey. Not that it is, but it just reminds me of that. And then you've got some greenery. But this is one of 4 scenes, which is nice for art journal, even Bible journaling and things like that. You can build a scene, but you can also use it to make a large card as well. So that is my haul from TM. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.